Today we're making delicious sourdough discard pancakes. You'll need some sourdough starter or sourdough discard, some milk, vanilla extract, melted butter, some sugar, and an egg. Whisk those together lightly before adding some flour, baking powder, and a little salt. You'll need to whisk all of these together until they form a smooth batter, although a few lumps are fine. Add some melted butter to a pan before adding your pancake batter. You want each side to become bubbly before you flip them over. Repeat this with all of the batter until you've got no more left. And now they're ready to be enjoyed however you'd like. We love maple syrup and butter.